Welcome back, future explorers. Today, we're delving into the field of artificial intelligence to discover which sectors will be dead by 2024. Buckle up, because we're about to reveal the top industries that AI is poised to disrupt and revolutionize. But beware, what you're about to learn may forever alter your perception of the future. Consider a world when AI reigns supreme, with automation and algorithms directing the fate of whole sectors. Well, that plan is closer than you realize. AI is transforming our economy from healthcare to transportation, creating a trail of disruption and innovation. So take a seat and prepare to watch the rise of the machines as we reveal the top industries that AI will kill off by 2024. Number 10. Traditional retail. We begin our list with the traditional retail business. With the emergence of e-commerce giants and AI-powered recommendation systems, brick-and-mortar retailers require assistance to keep up. From automated checkout systems to personalized shopping experiences, AI is changing the way we buy, leaving conventional merchants in the dust. Number 9. Customer service. Say goodbye to long wait times and frustrating phone calls because AI-powered chatbots dominate the customer service industry. With natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, these virtual assistants can handle customer inquiries and resolve issues in a fraction of the time it takes for a human agent. As AI continues improving, expect fewer call centers and more automated support systems. Number 8. Transportation. Get ready to wave goodbye to traditional taxis and delivery services because the transportation industry is undergoing a massive transformation thanks to AI. With self-driving cars and drones on the horizon, human drivers and couriers may soon become a thing of the past. As AI algorithms become more sophisticated and reliable, expect to see safer and more efficient transportation systems that are entirely autonomous. Number 7. Manufacturing. The manufacturing industry is no stranger to automation, but AI is taking it to a new level. Factories can now operate 24/7 without human intervention with AI-powered robots and machines. From assembly lines to quality control, AI streamlines the manufacturing process, reduces costs, and increases efficiency. As a result, traditional manufacturing jobs are being replaced by machines at an alarming rate. Number 6. Journalism. The journalism industry faces a credibility crisis in the age of AI-generated news articles and deepfake videos. With natural language generation algorithms, AI can now write articles and reports indistinguishable from those written by human journalists. As a result, traditional media outlets need help to compete with AI-powered news platforms that can churn out content at lightning speed. Number 5. Data entry. Bid farewell to the tedious days of manual data entry because AI algorithms are here to automate the process. With optical character recognition (OCR) and data extraction capabilities, AI can scan and digitize documents quickly and accurately. As a result, the demand for human data entry operators is dwindling, with companies opting for AI solutions that can process data more efficiently. Number 4. Banking and finance. The banking and finance industry is undergoing the digital revolution, and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. With robo-advisors and algorithmic trading systems, AI is reshaping how we manage and invest our finances. As AI algorithms become more sophisticated, expect to see fewer human financial advisors and traders as AI-powered alternatives gradually replace their roles. Number 3. Real estate. Thanks to AI-powered real estate platforms, the days of endless property viewings and negotiations are over. With predictive analytics and virtual reality technology, AI can analyze market trends and provide personalized property recommendations to buyers and renters. As a result, traditional real estate agents face increased competition from AI-driven platforms that offer faster and more efficient services. Number 2. Agriculture. Even the agricultural business is vulnerable to AI's disruptive influence. Farmers can now use AI-enabled drones and sensors to monitor crop health, optimize irrigation schedules, and identify pests and illnesses with remarkable accuracy. As AI technology progresses, expect a transition to precision agriculture, with fewer manual laborers and more autonomous agricultural equipment. Number 1. Legal services. At number 1, we have the legal industry. It is experiencing a wave of AI-driven innovation. With natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, AI can review legal documents, conduct legal research, and even accurately predict case outcomes. As a result, law firms are adopting AI-powered solutions to streamline their operations and deliver better results for their clients, leading to a gradual decline in the demand for certain legal services. In this groundbreaking exploration of the evolving technological landscape, we delved into the transformative impact of artificial intelligence on top distinct industries set to undergo significant changes in 2024. The relentless march of AI is reshaping traditional retail, steering us away from brick-and-mortar stores towards the convenience of e-commerce and personalized shopping experiences. Customer service is no longer reliant solely on human agents as AI-driven chatbots take the helm, providing swift and efficient support. The transportation industry is on the cusp of a revolution, with self-driving cars and drones threatening the existence of traditional taxis and delivery services. Manufacturing is experiencing a profound shift as AI-powered robots streamline operations, pushing aside human workers in favor of 24/7 automated efficiency. Journalism faces a credibility crisis as AI-generated news articles and deepfake videos challenge the authenticity of traditional media outlets. Data entry is revolutionizing as AI algorithms bring unprecedented speed and accuracy to the once labor-intensive task. Banking and finance are witnessing the rise of robo-advisors and algorithmic trading, transforming the industry and reducing the demand for human financial advisors. Real estate embraces AI-powered platforms, changing how properties are bought and sold. Agriculture is merging drones and sensors with AI algorithms to improve farming methods and reduce the need for physical labor. Legal services are not immune to AI-driven innovation, as natural language processing and machine learning algorithms transform document analysis, research, and case prediction. As we negotiate the AI-driven transformation, each industry faces both problems and possibilities, laying the groundwork for a dynamic and disruptive future. And there you have it, the top industries that AI will reshape and revolutionize in 2024. From retail to legal services, no sector is safe from the transformative power of artificial intelligence. But remember, with every challenge comes an opportunity for innovation and adaptation. So stay tuned as we continue to explore the impact of AI on our world. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries and embracing the future.